Hello, it is 2:14. How do we look?
Ew.
I cheated.
I could smell it. Ew.
Look at my hair. My hair is my fan. Is my butt taking over?
Yeah.
So, my boyfriend's probably watching this. He'd probably be like, "What the fuck are you doing?" Oh, this is Deborah, by the way. And Serena, you look Indian. This face is all red.
I got sunburn. Supposedly, I messed up a lot.
Okay, we should upload this vlog now. We just wanted to show you guys what we do. She's sleeping over, and I got really bored. Okay.
Doodles.
Toodles.
Ciao.
Ciao.